Hey everybody, welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week. Starting off with gold, today I'm starting off a little different. I'm starting off from the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame on gold, we can see last month prices closed with a doji after a crazy bullish run, and that creates some kind of an indecision, and that means we do have a potential retracement, possibly until this area right here before you actually take off. Now, so since we're anticipating to see prices actually retrace until here before you take off, if we look at it from the lower time frames, we can see from the weekly perspective, prices have just been ranging, nothing out of the blue. Same thing with daily, I believe. Prices did create, so we did have a high, low, higher high, higher low, then same high, then lower low, and then a potential lower high. So this can anticipate that we have already broken the structure. However, for me to actually say that we have broken the structure, that we are on a clear path to these highs to retrace to these highs all the way out here, I would say I want to see prices take out these lows and then retrace all the way up here, if that does make sense in a way. So for instance, if we do put on a trend line, you can see prices are still in an uptrend, right? And then we had that high, okay, yeah, sure. We had that as a low. Now, this can be a potential aggressive entry. However, for me to actually consider taking this trade, I wouldn't actually anticipate for that low, my bad. I will wait for this low here to be broken, and then some kind of a retracement in the structure, and then we drop. However, this is from the daily perspective, so still it's a long way out. You can keep scaling in. Now, if you look at the 4 hours, you can see prices did change structure. We had a high, low, break below this, and some kind of an entry here. After that retracement, obviously. So in the 4 hours, you can get aggressive entries. Obviously, this has already been tapped. Prices have already started falling. And obviously, it has already started its move. So for you to get other entries, you have to keep on scaling on the lower time frames and the lower time frames. So obviously, once you look at the 1 hour, okay, that's zooming out too much and no potential structure was identified, if you will. So still, right here we are. How are we gonna maximize and capitalize out of this structure that we have? We can use a lot of structures. We can use trend lines. As you can see there, we do have this. Once it breaks, we can look for a retest for a continuation until here. So there are a lot of variables according to your entry scenario or your entry criteria, how you anticipate or where you will be looking for entries. You may wait for this low to be broken, right? So it's a lot of scenarios where you can actually get an entry in this particular scenario. So that's all about gold. Let's get back to the monthly time frame and look at another pair. And we are diving to an index, obviously. Now let's take a look at DXY. DXY on the monthly time frame, we can see prices have rejected these highs and broken below these lows. So we will be looking for some kind of a continuation in the bearish side, as prices have just indicated. And as you can see on the weekly, Prices are looking to keep on pushing lower daily. I'd anticipate the same thing. Obviously, the trend is already clear bearish. However, we don't want to go too far. So we can actually anticipate what's going on from right here. So from here, obviously, we can see prices have not yet really I can say they haven't really retraced. The trend is strong. I can say that. I do see that. However, I do believe prices will retrace um all the way up here before we actually continue because they did pump all the way unless they don't retrace. So we do have two scenarios. We do have two scenarios. So one is some kind of an aggressive retracement. As we do know, if prices give us an aggressive steep, it will have aggressive retracement. Now we do have that as scenario one, and then a lot of ranging here before we get a continuation. So either way, we will be prepared for either one because if we do get a strong retracement, obviously we do anticipate it will come back somewhere in this support structure before we actually pump or before we sell. And then should we get a range here, we will obviously just be looking at it for some kind of a structure. Once it breaks, obviously we will look for an entry to continue selling low. So either way, we good and we know what to do whenever whatever happens. But generally, DXY, I am bearish biased and do anticipate to see a continuation in the bearish side. Now, last week, prices closed with the doji, indicating some kind of a lack of momentum. And then you can see here it broke above this high and then came back down here on this support. So we might see some kind of a retracement on the upside with the first take profits at least somewhere here, you know, because prices have actually retraced to this support structure here. And we might be looking for some kind of a bullish continuation until somewhere up there. So that's my view on what's really going on with DXY and how will this be impacting the other currency pairs. Obviously, we do have Euro USD, same thing, prices broke below this low, retraced all the way up here. So we might be looking for some kind of a continuation. So prices have broken below this high, this low, excuse me, and then retraced all the way until here. Gave us a confirmation stops would have been there. Um, should the markets open right where they are, you can take trades and aim for these lows here. That will be a clean. However, it's a long trade, guys. It's a long trade. Because mind you, this is a 4 hour. So unless you are a swing trader, I wouldn't recommend. But if you are a swing trader, I would recommend you capture this 1:5 right here, clean, swing low. So that's Euro USD. We do have GBP USD, obviously also inversely correlated to DXY. However, we can see the structure still hasn't shifted with this. So I really want to be focusing until these lows are broken. Until then, it is still in a steep bullish trend. Gold, we have talked about that. Now we can look at JPYX, another index. It has been ranging, that's clear as day since all the way out here in August. It has been ranging. Unless you take day trades, JPIX for swinging would have been a headache. Now we can only do that by looking at the lower time frames and see what's going on. On the 4 hour, we can see here prices are now kind of creating this downtrend. However, we have created a higher low, excuse me, a lower high. So that's a potential reversal. However, we can't be certain until prices do break this high so that we can have a lower high and we can have a higher low and a higher high. That's the only time that we can be certain that the trend has been broken. So until then, we will just keep on holding and seeing how it will be performing. But until then, obviously, we will be focusing on the US dollar pairs and see how they react. So obviously, you can see it's just a mess in here with the JPY pairs. It's just hectic. So we do have some kind of trends in here, but these are very minor trends, obviously. You can notice that unless you're a day trader or scalper, I wouldn't really be focusing on these pairs as much. Just focus on the dollar pairs at the moment, if you will, until the trend becomes clear on this one. So yeah, guys, that's that. If you did find value in this video, consider giving us a like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend, guys. And by the way, we decided to indulge and look into the world of EAs, and we are creating our own EA. Also, we do have two partners, developers that have EAs that have performance they have tracked the performance of the EAs over the past 2 years. Now you can actually get these EAs for actually free. Just join in the join in the free Telegram group below and text me and you can get the EA for free. Just contact and reach out to know what to do. Till next time, guys. Appreciate you all. Take it easy out there. Cheers.